Okay, Rangan, can I just pick up a point you were talking about isolation? Because, you know, it's a hard thing to do. It brings, you know, loneliness for people as well. So, you know, what can we do about that?
Yeah, look, first of all, we know that one of the most at-risk groups are people above the age of 70, and a lot of them are being asked to self-isolate. A lot of them are preemptively now self-isolating.
Absolutely.
And that comes with, whilst it may reduce the chance of being exposed to coronavirus and the subsequent illness, there is there's an unintended consequence. That's going to be more loneliness. We know that that's a big problem already. So I think people should, if they can't visit, let's say, their elderly relatives or their mother or their father, for example, let's use technology. Let's use things like FaceTime, Skype calls. Make sure these people feel as though they're still connected, because I think this is going to be a big problem that we're going to face more over the next few months, that people are going to feel quite lonely, quite isolated. But I will say also, communities are coming together to, to try and help people.
We've been talking about it as well.
Yeah, people are dropping in notes saying, into their elderly relatives, elderly neighbours, and saying, hey, look, have you got all your shopping? I went round to my 91-year-old neighbour yesterday, asked the same thing. I think for all the negatives, there are many positives, I think, as well, and communities are coming together.